Get verified on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account, then tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now tap on the gear icon and then scroll down to the very end where you can see the option of Help Center under the support and feedback category. So as you tap on Help Center, it will land you to a new page where you can just scroll down to the very end and you can see the option of Contact Us over here. So tap on Contact Us, and as you tap on Contact Us, you can just scroll and tap on the option of I need help with Snapchat feature. So just scroll down and you can see the options over here. So all you have to do is tap on Profiles and Communities. Now scroll down again and tap on very first option of My Public Profile. As you do that, it will land you into this option. So here you can see the option of how do I get verified as a Snapstar. So tap on it and here you can see that you need to have account engagement, stories for a public audience, authenticity, notability and cultural relevance and content quality. After that, you can see on the option of still need help, you can just tap on yes and you can mention your username, your email ID and a description. You just have to mention that you are the content creator and you're an authentic content creator. So just you can ask them to help you verify or get verified on Snapchat and then tap on submit along with your email ID and then you'll be able to get contact from the Snapchat support and you can get verified on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.